Hello friends, welcome to Talk with Shivi channel. Today we are presenting 10 lines on Republic Day. Let's start the lines. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26 January in India. Republic Day is a national festival of India. The Constitution of India was passed on 26 November 1949 in the Constituent Assembly. This constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. Since then, Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26 January. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to prepare this constitution. The Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. There is a complete holiday in all government and private sectors of India on 26 January. Many programs are organized on the occasion of Republic Day in schools and colleges on 26 January. On this day, the parade of India's Navy, Army and Air Force takes place on the Rajpath, Kartavyapath. On this day, every state takes out its cultural tableaux on the Rajpath. So friends, these are 10 lines on Republic Day. I hope these are helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.